Assalamu Alaikum Rahmatullahi wa Barakatuhu. Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to make yakitori. Yes, that's chicken skewers in Japanese. It's going to be a very simple and fast recipe, your Ramadan special. This recipe is straightforward, does not need any special equipment. We're going to make it in a pan. No grilling, no baking, nothing, just in a pan. So for my yakitori, I'm going to use 3 veggies, green pepper, red pepper, and onions. I'm going to cut them into triangles. So it's okay, you can reduce the sizes if it's too big. While you're making the yakitori, you can reduce the sizes. And we are going to use chicken thighs. We have 2 chicken thighs here, and I'm going to remove them from the bones. Of course, it has to be boneless, so we're going to remove them from the bones. We're using this part of the chicken because it has a good amount of meat and fat at the same time. Don't remove the skin, don't remove any fat from it, because that is where the flavor comes from, that fat. So using chicken breast, not as good as chicken thighs. Chicken thighs is the best part of chicken to use in this recipe. And I'm going to just season it with salt. That is all, seasoned with only salt. Okay, you can add black pepper if you want, but salt is enough. And I have my skewers here. I'm going to stick this meat. Okay, so this is the trick. Because it has so much fat, it's going to be hard for your skewers to get through it. So you twist your skewers. When you twist them, you get your meat fast. Okay, see, I had to reduce the size of that onion, and then add your green, make it colorful. Another chicken piece. Twist, always twist, especially when you're getting through the skin. It's very hard for your skewers to get through the skin of the meat, so you twist it and then it goes straight in. This is it. I know some people will say they don't want the onions and the veggies, they only want meat, make a whole skewers of meat only. But then no, please don't do that, because those veggies have so much flavor. Like when you add your teriyaki sauce on them, they are delicious. They are more delicious than the chicken. Oh, sorry, I'm kidding about that, right? Okay, so just make sure you add the veggies in it. They are delicious. Like, they make the whole combination of the teriyaki sauce, the chicken, and everything. They make it all better. Okay, I'm going to make another one here and go ahead and finish the rest of my skewers. All right, that's it. That is so colorful. You are done putting your chicken on the skewers. And know that you can make a lot of this. You can make 100 pieces of this. Just put it in a Ziploc bag and put it in your freezer. Whenever you're ready, just take it out and cook it. Like, that's how simple it is. Next, we're going to make our teriyaki sauce. This is the best part of things. We're going to add half a cup of soy sauce, a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar. Yes, I meant it, 2 tablespoons of sugar. And then we're going to add half cup of water also, and also some garlic in there for more flavor. And here I have 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 1 tablespoon of water, and we're going to add this in the mixture. Then mix it well, and we're going to cook it. So we're going to cook it until it thickens. Of course, when heat activates, cornstarch is going to thicken, and then don't worry about this pale color. It's going to turn really dark when it cooks. That's what happens to cornstarch. Okay, so with this sauce, you can make a lot of it. You can double, triple, quadruple the recipe, and then keep it in your fridge. Use it whenever you want. Since the day I found this teriyaki sauce, it has been my sauce for shawarma. Like, when you make that your shawarma chicken, just use your teriyaki sauce. It is the best. So just make this sauce. When it thickens, you keep it aside, and then we're going to continue and fry our chicken. We're going to add this oil in our pan and then put in our chicken skewers. Of course, you're going to say, oh, so much more fat. No, this oil is going to remain in the pan because when your chicken cook, it's not going to suck in all the oil. If you're going to make 100 pieces in the same pan, you're still going to use the same oil. You're not going to add any more oil. Okay, so we're going to fry this. When it starts to cook a bit, we're going to add some water, cover it, and let it cook. You can check it from time to time, turning it from side to side, and then cover it. Check it from time to time, and then when the water is all out, you are ready to brush on your teriyaki sauce. This is ready. See, it's already starting to grill because you can see all the dark part. So all you need to do is brush your teriyaki sauce on the chicken, on all the sides. That's it. And you can see how dark the colors look, right? Look at it, guys. You know this is going to be amazing. You all know that. And you have to try it. And the skewer sticks, you can find them in shops that sell all these takeaway packs, serviettes, you know, all these things you use at wedding, disposable cups. Yes, these shops, that's where you find them. And then also in cake shops. Whichever cake shop you find, yes, shops that sell cake stuff, you're going to find the skewers. They are very cheap, of course. I think a pack of 100 pieces is like 300 naira. And then I'm going to plate this batch, then use the remaining oil in the pan to make another batch and another batch and another batch. Okay, so this is it, guys. We are done. I am ready to eat. And then if you have your naan bread, this is the recipe I posted last. You go check it out. It's going to be on the screen right now. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time, and iftar kareem.